Welcome back, guys. So today we have here the Monument Grill Eminence 425, and today we're about to do Carne Asada Tortas on this bad boy. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up this grill. All right, guys. Just like always, when I get a brand new grill from Monument, I always like to start with carne asada. So doing tortas on this one gonna come out great. So we got the carne asada ready. Let's go ahead and fire up this bad boy. That easy. We'll be back in a few minutes. All right, let's go ahead and put our carne asada in here. Look at this. This is how you know when it's well marinated. See the cilantro and the onions in there? Oh yeah. All right. And we're going to be using the nice tongs that Monuments also sent us. So this is also on their website if you guys want to get a pair of these. Let's take a look. Now we're just flipping them here. They're thin slices, so they don't need to be, they'll take long to cook. I'll give it a close and we'll be back. So we're going to go ahead and put these up here and they'll continue cooking. Let's go ahead, put our buns down. Press them down. There we go. And they can come apart because you'll need them apart when you build a sandwich. Go ahead and put this meat over here. These are good to come out. Nice and toasted. And there it is. Let's go ahead and build it. All right, so here we have all our stuff. We're gonna go ahead and grab our bread. Grab the piece. Bam, just like that. All right, we got some refried beans that my wife made. So we're gonna add this on this. Just like that. We're gonna add some avocados. Bam. Queso fresco. And a little bit of lettuce. Here it is. All right, let's go ahead and give it a taste. All right, guys, so here you have it, a carne asada torta. Looks delicious, smells good. I'm ready to get into it. All this done on a new Eminence 425. This is good. Definitely give this a try. You will not regret it. This is really good. And then this grill, there'll be a link in the description. You guys want to check them out. But this color alone, man, I love it. I love this grill. We'll be doing more cooks too, so stay tuned. And I will see you guys next time.